Hello friends, Ravneet Bhalla welcomes you back to this healthy living community. If health is on your mind, then come take this trip to the green banana heaven with me. Nah, I'm not taking you anywhere other than showing you my way of cooking raw banana recipes. This green banana cutlet or patty is my favorite. To make this delicious and healthy snack, you will first need to boil raw banana along with a little amount of turmeric. I have taken 2 bananas. The tomatoes here are not for this recipe but to make tomato dates khatta Uriya style. I boiled both together, that's it. Once the banana turns brown after 5 to 8 minutes or longer, turn off the flame. You may even boil banana in pressure cooker with a little amount of haldi for 2 to 3 whistles. Let it cool down before grating banana. Add chopped green chili. The more the chili, the better. Chop coriander leaves. You may add any other greens, including spring onion and garlic greens if you want. Now add salt, Kashmiri red chili powder and mash. We will also need 2 tablespoons of thick curd or hung curd along with 2 tablespoons of makhana atta. Homemade from makhanas I got from Pearl Mithila Makhana. But you can substitute the fox nut powder with rice flour or tapioca starch. Mix everything well before shaping them into patties or cutlets. Make sure the dough is not too loose. Splash water and oil onto the tawa. This prevents raw banana cutlets from sticking to the iron skillet. Splash a few drops of water after placing the patties and cover. Cook on low flame for 2 to 3 minutes before flipping sides. Continue to flip side every few minutes. You may sprinkle little more water before covering the banana cutlets. Moisture will keep them soft and prevent from drying because we are not using a lot of oil here. If you want, you may sprinkle oil as well to speed up the cooking process. Enjoy garma garam in burger, sandwich, or even with chapati and rice. I hope you will try out this easy green banana recipe and spread the word about it in your circle. Please support the channel. Take care and stay tuned for more healthy recipes. Bye bye.